But that's what a good-for-nothing supervisor Bunzaya tells me. Colleen, you've got no people. You must know, yesterday, no, I went into Bunzaya's office to talk to her about a promotion. I said, Bunzaya, I'm tired of being a permanent casual here at toll number 7. I said, I want to be a permanent cashier, period. She looks at me in my face, no Bronwyn, and she reckoned to me, Colleen, you got no people skills. You know something, eh? Bunzaya is lucky that I don't report her to top management, because we all know what she does when the merchandisers deliver that shower-to-shower deodorant here. She always dents 1 or 2 cans for herself, and then she keeps it in her bottom drawer, comes back at rejects, dan spijt sy, ja, no? The only reason I don't report Bunzaya is because I don't want her to stop using that shower-to-shower deodorant. No, Bronwyn, because you know, especially now in May, if Bunzaya starts sweating in May, it can turn all that white bread brown. Ma'am, just relax, please. I can see you waiting here at my till, okay? Why don't you unpack your own basket so long? The frozen vegetables last. Because that's going to make my toe wet and dirty, and I first want the other stuff out of the way. And tell me something, ma'am. Is that your son sitting in that trolley, Bronwyn Kiki? Is that your son? Is that your son in that trolley? Tell him to move. Sy gat is te groot vir duike. Ja, mens kan sien die appel val nog al die vee van die boomate, ja. If you got 2 Everfresh milk and 2 baked beans and 2 Sunlight liquid, bring the same stuff out at the same time, then I only need to scan 1 time, yeah. You know why, Bronwyn? That's why I can't wait to start working there at the casino. I almost went for the interview at the casino 2 weeks ago. They were interviewing girls to be cashiers, not like cashiers over here with frozen veg and stuff like that, like smart cashiers, man. Yeah, you get a uniform and you just work with a plastic card. Yeah, Bronwyn, you're right. It's almost like being a bank teller. And it's weird how life work out, young, because I always wanted to be a bank teller. Because you must remember, for years, cousin Griselda. Griselda used to work in a bank for years now, and I always used to say to Griselda, put in a good word for me, tell your bank manager you got a cousin with excellent people skills, but do you think Griselda put in a good word for me? But the coloreds, they are like that, they suck to get you in anywhere. No, Bronwyn, you know what Griselda reckoned to me? She reckoned to me that, that her bank manager says it's against the bank's policy to employ cousins. I said, that's a shit policy. It's no wonder there's so many bank robberies in this country. It's all the unemployed cousins that can't get it. It's true, Bronwyn, it's true. Ma'am, please, ma'am. I am waiting for you, okay? I'm waiting for you to produce that wrapper that chocolate was in that your child was eating while you were shopping. I got my witnesses. Bronwyn, you my witness. Did you see Humpty Dumpty fritting while they were going to the perishables? Yeah. Don't try your luck. That's why I hate it when the customers argue when their children do that whole Meals on Wheels thing, man. But I'm telling you, Bronwyn, the interview went so liquor, eh? What did I wear for the interview, man? You know, the girls, they are so stupid, eh? There were such a lot of girls that came for the interview. Now, they're all dressed the same, in like smart tailored suits and smart tops, and their hair all blow-dried out. Now, in that book that I got about interviews, it most says, you must always try to stand out from the crowd. So I went straight from work like this. I could see I made an impression on that manager, yeah. And I'm telling you, Bronwyn, it was a smart owl that interviewed me, man. Like a dark owner, I call him Black Jack, no? And I'm telling you, he looks so classy, unlike Bunzaya with her oily hair. You know, I'm embarrassed already to tell the customers that Bunzaya is our supervisor. Everyone knows she must only wash her hair once every leap year, man. Now, Bronwyn, I'm not scared of her. Bronwyn, what did I say when that customer came into the shop yesterday and the customer said to me, Colleen, I can't find the fish oil, so where was Bunzaya standing? Over there, no? So what did I tell that customer? You can must lekker ask Bunzaya for the fish oil. You can must see she was using it for a wash and rinse. Bronwyn, I'm not scared of her. Now, Blackjack is interviewing me, and now Blackjack says to me, Colin, tell me something. Why do you actually want to work here at the casino? I said, listen here, I'm not for leave for this job, okay? The only reason I want to work here is because I'm qualified to do it. He said, shoot, you come here for an interview at the casino, and immediately you're playing open cards. Now, in that book, it got about interviews. It most says, when they try to make jokes in the interview, don't laugh back, otherwise they think you're foolish. He makes that joke, I look at him like it's in his gefrit. I could see a cause impression on him, young. I'm one way in. He reckons to me, he says to me, Colin, tell me something, do you have any hobbies? I said, my hobbies is talking to my best friend and colleague Bronwyn, like in between customers, man. And he says to me, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? I said, listen here, do I look like a Sangoma? I could see, young, I'm one way in, young. I'm telling you, I'm one way in. You know, no? That guy, Blackjack, he is so classy, eh? Unlike Bunzai with her oily hair. You know what that manager says to me after the interview? He says to me, Colin, thank you very much for coming for the interview. And you don't have to call us to find out when. We will call you. That was class, man. I'm telling you, I'm in. Ma'am, relax, okay? I already cashed your stuff up. That's 46 Rand and 32 cents. Bronwyn, kyk, hier's 'n credit card for 46 Rand 32. Haven't you got any cash on you there, ma'am? Die ding het nie geld, ja? No, I'm just asking, I'm doing my job fine. I'll take the credit card. Tell me, must I put it through straight or budget? I'm just doing my job, okay? Now fine, no problem. What did I tell you, Bronwyn? The credit card's not going through. I'm sorry, ma'am, but your credit card is not going through. I'm sorry for the delay in the queue, but her credit card isn't going through. I know from credit cards, okay? I can't make money come out of nothing, but like Exus Trevor Manuel. I'm sorry, you are not going to have to sort this out with my supervisor, Bunzaya, and I better warn you, ma'am, Bunzaya is not having a good headache. You better get ready for the oily whip.